There are so many different types of reports you can download from the ad console through Amazon. This video is going to give you an overview of all the different types of reports you can download, and then we're going to go into detail into each of them to give you an idea of how best to use this data to make better decisions when you're managing your ads campaigns. I'm George, founder of Clear Ads, and this is an ad agency. We've been going now since January 2011, and we've been helping multiple brands. And I hope you find this video valuable. Let's get straight into it. So within the three different ad types, ad types that you can have, you have different types of reports you can get. So you can see here they're fairly similar between sponsored product and sponsored brands. Sponsored display is going to differ somewhat because it's not really focused around keywords and it's around more audiences. So there's a whole plethora of different reports you can get. So let me give you an example now of where you can find this information. So when you log in to Seller Central, you can then make your way over to the left. And then if you go down to measurement and reporting, there is a section here called sponsored ads report. So if you click on here, and once you've clicked through, it'll show you all of the reports that you've downloaded in the past. So what you want to now do is you want to click on create report to find the best report for you. So let me do that now. On this page, you can select the reporting category. So you've got sponsored product, brands, display, and you've got kind of attribution and all Amazon campaigns. This is going to be updated. So by the time you watch this video, there's probably going to be more options. But if we look at sponsored products for now, then you have the different types of reports that you can get. So if we just click on search terms for now, you can then select whether you have a kind of an overall summary, or if you want it broken down daily, like with a search term report, you're more likely to just want it as a summary, and then you can choose the report period here. So there is an actually only a certain amount of time you can go back. I think it's is it 30 days? Is it 30 days? I think it's 30 days. Yeah, I think. No, beg your pardon, I think it's 60 days. So you can go back 60 days to get this information. Now, the bigger their account, the longer this is going to take to download, and the less information you need. So if you've got one or two ASINs, you want to try and go back as far as possible to get enough data to really make decisions. If you're getting a good volume of traffic through, and you're spending in the high 8 to kind of 6 figures a month on ads, then just doing this weekly is going to be kind of more important because you're going to have more information to be sieving through. So then you can name the report, and you can actually have this then sent to recipient. It could be a one-time thing, or it could be reoccurring. So you can have it frequently sent. So last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days, or you could have it. I don't think you need it daily, but you could have it daily if you want, or you can tell it to go out in the future. So you could even have a dedicated email that is where all these reports go. So once you've selected what you're looking for, if you want it now, for example, you can then just select run report. So if I just go to last 30 days and I'll click run report. Now on this page, you just have to wait some time for the report to then be done. It could take just a few, like 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't take that long. And then once you refresh the page, you will then be given the option to download it. Once you download it, you can open it on a Google Sheet, and then you can work through it. On the next video, we'll go over how you can look at like a search term report, how you can kind of depict the information you need and make some changes. I hope you found this video useful, and if you want more videos like this and want to see more videos like this, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be sure to send you more. If you want us to produce an audit report, so we actually bring quite a few of these reports all together and put it together for brands so that they can actually have their account analyzed, we'll be very happy to do so. All you need to do is either click, kind of scan the QR code here for an audit, or click on the link below. Or you can also join our school community, which is a group of brands, e-com brands, that we've put together who are obsessed with Amazon and are keen to learn the latest updates and news, which they will share in that group. So hope you found this useful, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.